Difference between Gen Z and Gen Alpha. Generation Z, born roughly between the mid-1990s and the early 2010s, and Generation Alpha, born from the mid-2010s onward, exhibit several notable differences despite some overlapping traits due to evolving societal norms and technological advancements. Gen Z, often characterized by their adaptability to technology, grew up during the rise of social media and the proliferation of smartphones. They tend to be pragmatic, socially conscious, and entrepreneurial, having witnessed economic downturns and global crises early in their lives. Gen Z values authenticity, diversity, and inclusivity, and they are known for their skepticism toward traditional institutions. In contrast, Gen Alpha is the first generation to be entirely born into the digital age, with technology deeply ingrained in every aspect of their lives from infancy. They are likely to be even more technologically adept and reliant, with a greater emphasis on digital communication and virtual experiences. Growing up in a world where AI, automation, and virtual reality are increasingly prevalent, Gen Alpha may exhibit even higher levels of adaptability and comfort with rapid technological changes. Moreover, Gen Alpha's upbringing is likely to be influenced by increasing environmental awareness and sustainability efforts, shaping them into eco-conscious individuals. They may exhibit heightened adaptability, creativity, and collaboration skills, driven by their exposure to diverse digital tools and global perspectives. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.